Hello, today I'll be reviewing the FINO 2 fitness tracker. It's almost New Year, so you might as well, get fit, and this thing will, keep you accountable. Comes with a manual, charging cable, the watch itself, a little bag for the accessories, or box for the accessories. Yeah, so let me, turn it on and see, what features it has. Alright, here we go. Yeah, the timing's off here. Let's see. Yeah, it's got different features here. It's kind of hard to control this because, I got a big thumb and the screen's very small, but they got different options for different exercises here. It kind of has a bit of that cheap kind of a knockoff graphic design. I don't know how to explain it, but for example, let me turn this off here. Yeah, the whole hello and goodbye and this weird kind of it feels like early 2000s Microsoft Word 3D text. It's hard to describe, but or the old screensavers, we could put text on them, that kind of thing. Bluetooth disconnected. Again, it's hard to control this thing just because it's like an adult watch, but it feels like it's meant for children's fingers, Let's see. I did put it on and it did seem to track things pretty well. But yeah, this thing is decent, I guess. It kind of lacks I think the features you probably want if you're really into fitness, but you're just kind of getting into fitness, you just got a gym membership, you want to get your New Year's resolutions kind of done early. This ain't a bad watch. So yeah.